Mikey's RC phone. We're out with the X-Max. Tires look like they have water in them. But who cares? That's what happens when you go crazy. That's what happens. That body probably hurts now.
Damn it.
The wheelie bar was broken, but
No damage. Bag of leaves.
bag of water. Oh my God! Got that on camera too.
Want to drive a little?
No. That thing's scary. You're basically Jeremy and Keith 3.0. I heard a click.
Yeah, we'll check it out.
Try and dry off the tires a little more.
That's for an opinion, but I'm here for like 3 weeks now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna up the gearing next time I'm gonna put a 4418 in.
4418. You mean 4618?
Or 46. Yeah. No, but I could put a 4418. That's what the max said.
44. No, it uses a 4427.
Oh, does it?
Mhm.
All right. Let's see.
Mike-
We're gonna have to check the spur and pinion out.
Mikey's RC Fun out.